Hi, it's Yoni from Sawmill, and this is my new page. I know some people knows me from my trucks. I have the truck page, the OBS. Alright, so I have a problem at the sawmill where the logs are always full of mud and dirt, and the barks, when I sell them, they gotta have no rocks in it. So I'm gonna make my old truck run, and I'm gonna put some bunks on it so we can put the logs and the barks in it and never have a logs in the mud on the floor, and the barks are gonna have a bunk too on the truck. So I'm gonna have to make this thing run now. I'm gonna show y'all the truck real quick here. So this is the old 6-ton, and as you see we have bunks in, and I can put like another bunks there. I'm gonna take this one and put it in the middle, so I have 2 bunks to put like logs and bark. The truck is pretty clean for an old farm truck, but yeah, now I gotta make it run. So you can go cheap, but this is next level cheap. So I'm gonna take a pen. So I got a connection. Now I'm gonna go on the fuel line on the truck and plug this in. I didn't have fitting, so well, I just improvise, you know. Alright, I got the fuel line here. I'm just gonna plug my union. Alright, now I'm just gonna dump it in the jug. Big 366 big block in this truck. Alright, I have the battery hooked up, and this truck I haven't ran since like 2021, so 3 years ago. It's been parked. So we'll just try if, I know it's turning. Gonna take a while to prime though, but let's try it. If you can have the gas to jump this slope, we're good. Yes, sir. Alright, let's see if it moves. Oh yeah. They're pretty good. Just gonna stop it here. Yes, sir. It drive. So now I'm gonna have to remove all the things on the bed. Got some old firewood here, and I'm gonna put back my bunks. You see where the poles go, and I'm gonna be able to put my logs on the truck and not having my logs in the mud anymore. So it's like less hard on my blades, because the sawmill blade doesn't like to have some muds on it. And just to put y'all in context, so I redid all the yard here with new stuff, and I'm gonna put picture in the video of what it was looking like before. It was a real mess. The bobcat was stuck there in the mud. I cut down a series of tree there to have a bigger yard, and I cleaned this up to have a space to put all my trucks and equipment. And I thought about this one, I could make the project that I'm making right now. Alright, so I got all the bed cleaned up. Just gonna have to bolt my bunks there and in the back, so I'm able to unload my log truck that I got here, the old International, onto this one. And this one's gonna be like a yard truck just to move the logs around and the barks. Got an old Ford there, dump truck, the skidder, the loader. Right, so we are the next day and I'm just gonna make a quick cold start, cause why not? It's cold. And after I'm gonna finish the bunks. I'm gonna have to get rid of that crane here. Well, I don't need it anymore because since now I have a big log truck, I don't need that little cranky thing with my hand. So I'm gonna have to remove this, and we're gonna take a bunk, bolt it there, remove this one, take the pole, put it there, and after that I'm gonna load it with the truck to test how it's going. The crane is all unbolted, and I'm gonna come with the log truck and clamp this, remove it. Gonna check if we can log this up. I think if I'm gonna go put a bolt there. Kind of hard to film and drive this with only one hand, but anyway, crane out of the way. I'm gonna have the maximum space on the bed of the truck. I'm gonna go load up the International with the log I have laying around and the barks, and I'm gonna unload it in the old Big Red. That's his name, Big Red. So I'm gonna unload it in Big Red, and it's gonna do exactly what I wanted this thing to do. Alright, Big Red is loaded up. And one thing I'm gonna do, I knew I'm gonna have to do this, but I'm gonna add some bunks there in the middle so the thing don't like go wrong. But this is pretty much what I wanted to do. So now the logs are gonna be in the truck and the bark and nothing anymore in the mud here for the sawmill. It's done. This is what I wanted to do. So new thing to work with at the sawmill. Pretty happy about it. And if you watch all the video, I hope you all enjoyed it. I'm gonna try to make some more about the sawmill and logging and everything I own, just to show y'all my sawmill side of my life, because I don't only do truck content. My real life is sawmill and logging. So see you on the next video.